షేర్ చేయతలు చేస్తే షేర్ చేయ
Password is Atos. I forgot yesterday.
Atos 2024, sir.
AUTOS, sir.
Not sir. ATOS.
ATOS 2024. Okay.
Yes.
0403 location.
.403.
Location you take. Test one is not saved, na? Just see.
Sir, yeah, not saved. Yes.
Just see. It is there, I think. It's saved. Only it is assignments. It is not done, I think.
Yeah.
Go to that partner roles. That last button. Let's see. The drop down you see. Partner roles is not done. Then materials, transport system also not done. Okay. Go to the transport system, then open TU. There we will assign everything. Test one. The locations, TF materials. Click on that locations. Put that test one.
Test one, sir. Double.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಯಾರು ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ನಾಳೆ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವೇ ಚೆಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಕೆ
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಸರಿ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. You can add that test one location ID.
Yes.
And O and D. Enter. Now you save. Okay. Now you see there.
Yes.
04. Yeah. Location now 0402.
0402.
You already opened somewhere, I think.
Yes.
Enter. See the now transport systems. See one Transport system is assigned
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Test one. Okay. Now we have to complete the other materials.
Yes.
Go that material. Uh,
Yesterday we assigned it material. 3, sir.
okay. Not taking.
Yeah, not taking, sir.
No plant partner role. Supplier. Partner role, just to go to partner role. Here we have to add na. Add button is not there.
Create users.
Create. Uh, put that plant.
EP01
No. Click on that plant.
branch. Okay.
The radio button.
Yes. Which one I love, sir?
Which plant you want to assign? EP01 na?
Yeah, sir. EP01. EP01 is not showing.
Is
Yeah.
there, is there.
EP02 is there, sir.
Okay, any one you select it.
EP02.
Uh,
EOI. Okay.
select
Sir.
that radio button plant. Radio button, left side. Close that, close this.
Yes.
Radio button. That
Huh.
one. Then storage location 001.
File location. EP02. 1 minute, sir. Okay.
Plant, let it be there. Just enter.
Next, sir.
Now role we have to select that one radio button select.
Supplier.
Supplier.
Then transport system.
Test one you select. Location. Test one.
Yes.
Enter. Just enter.
Showing
Okay.
errors. Yeah.
Everything is okay now. Save.
Yes. Save. Okay.
Saved.
Yes, sir. Save.
Yeah. So here you got the location, material, partner roles. All the three are there now.
Okay,
Material also we have assigned one material.
sir.
Correct na? See?
Yes, sir. Material.
We are not
Yes.
what plant that material is assigned there? Which
Three,
plant
three,
is huh?
3, sir. 3. Material number 3.
Okay.
Material number does not exist in the plant EB02.
The MARC table you see EP02 what material is assigned.
Yeah, where, sir?
Open one more session.
Yeah.
SC16N MARC EP01 na? What is that plant?
Plant EP02, sir.
Put that plant there. Down, down. Ah,
Yeah, sir.
execute. Remove
Materials.
material is assigned here. Remove that EP02. Just enter. Remove. Simply execute. Blank. EP01 is there.
Material.
EP01.
Yeah, sir. EP01.
So we have to assign EP01.
Yeah, sir.
Then the 3 will come.
Come.
So EP01 also you can assign, go to that location. We have to go to transport system O4V2.
Forward.
O4 TV. O4 TV. TU.
TU change.
TU chain.
EP01 assigned, sir.
EP01.
Yeah, sir.
There also in the location also we have to assign EP01.
Yes, sir. Location. Okay.
EP01 you assign.
Yes.
Then your location ID na.
Location ID test one. Okay.
Location ID. You have to go to the location then.
TS details EP1.
No, that is in transit plan.
Okay.
Plant.
TS material.
TS material में भी नहीं होगा. Just click on that. This
Yeah,
is TS material 3 is assigned for this in transit plant.
Yeah, sir.
But for that location का plant है, that we have to see. What location plant, go to that O402. Enter. You have opened somewhere.
Okay, 1 minute. Here.
Already there na, change
Already.
business.
Yeah.
Now EP02 में नहीं है, so EP01 is already you have assigned.
Yeah, sir.
Some other material we have to see, which is assigned to EP02, or you have to assign that EP02 3 material na. So MM01 में जाके some material you have to assign. No, we put not put anything. This is the, it will create.
Yeah.
Copy from 3. Copy from material 3.
Yes.
Down. Enter. Enter. Just material automatic na. I don't know.
Yeah, material type.
Material type is oil and gas something.
Finished works.
Finished. Oil and gas is not there, huh?
Yeah, not there, sir.
Okay, finished goods. Select basic type. सेल्स आर को मालूम नहीं है, छोड़ दो.
Oil specific data, sir.
That also not required. Okay.
Purchasing.
Okay. Okay, that's sufficient.
General data.
ठीक है. Plant you put EP01. This is the from na, copy from.
Copy from, sir. 3.
Copy from plant EP01. Not here. Other next side, right side.
ఇది EP02. Material number 152. Unit of measurement. Material group 1, sir. Oil products. Next, gross weight and net weight required, sir.
Put some 1 50 10. Now just save it.
Basic data, sir. Basic.
ISR data is not maintained. Leave it.
Okay. Purchasing.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that?
Number can be managed only if base unit measures is discrete. Base unit.
Liters L you put it. BBL or L. Enter.
Not taken.
This should copy from the other material. Other material, what was that?
Each.
Either liter, metric ton, MT you put it.
MT. Unit MT is not created in language.
M only is there in a kg. M means meter, I think.
Yeah, sir. M is meter. Kg. Oh, sorry. It's also same error.
What was that in that original material? You have to check. Go back and check that material.
MM03.
3, na?
Yeah, sir. 3.
Yet check that. Okay. EP02.
Each.
Each
Yes.
Each is a wrong material. Electric motor. Actually, we should use some other material with the oil, with a liter, kg.
Yes.
So we'll see the materials first, which are all relevant now. MA, RA table you see.
Yes.
Which are all oil gas materials. No, SC16.
Yes. SC16. Okay.
MARA.
Yes.
Just execute. Oh, so many materials. The basic unit kg each.
Each
Kg is also okay.
bag,
Each
kgv, liters, 67.
liter
67.
67.
Yes.
So you assign this material to
Mm.
67. Mane create a new EP01, extend that material to 67.
Yes.
MM01 copy from 67. 67 each. Accounting, okay.
Copy from
Which
copy.
plant? Plant is not there.
Yeah, sir.
MARC में जाके देखना पड़ेगा. MARC
Okay.
67 है.
Yeah, sir. 67.
हाँ, go to MARC type. Material 67. Material.
Material. Yes, sir.
You can just straight away filter there, na. Go back.
YE01, sir. YE01.
YE01. Copy from YE01.
Yeah.
And here EP02. 02 or 01? 02, na?
02. 02.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it
Liter.
has basic unit has come.
Mm.
Just save it. Let us see.
Price control, sir. Moving average price. Okay.
Okay, but this for testing purpose, na.
Moving average price with price moving average.
We have to enter some price, moving price, some 1 rupee, 2 rupees.
Mm.
If it is standard price, you have to put some standard price.
Okay. Not second.
So moving price is there, na. Put that moving price down
Yeah.
and field 100 something.
Yeah, 153 created.
Okay, so now assign this 153 material to EP02.
Yeah.
Double click on that line. 1 minute. See, these are all some maximum inventory, some
Yes.
mandatory fields are put EL in entry. Maximum inventory some 100, 1000 or 10,000. 1000, okay. Go to SPW related.
Where, sir?
Second tab. Anything is there mandatory? Nothing is there, na?
Nothing is there, sir.
Okay.
Planning. Okay.
So now save. Save. Go back and save. Back button, not that top.
Rolling period asking, sir.
Rolling period 100 you put. 100 days in past 7. Enter. Okay. Now you save. Go back and save. Save. So now it is complete. Location is complete. You see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Location, partner role, transport system. All the 3 we have created now.
Created now. Yes.
Okay.
Then we go to nomination.
So shall we go to the theory part? I will share my screen.
Yes.
Can you see now?
Yeah, sir.
There all we have seen ticketing, nomination, validation, group, nomination. Nomination and ticketing.
Yes.
See, these are all the basic documents in TSW, scheduling documents and the confirmation, that final delivery confirmation. Okay.
Nomination and ticketing.
Yeah. Explain what is nomination. Describe functions supported by nomination. Explain what is ticketing. Describe the ticketing function. Okay.
Yeah.
The scheduling task, scheduling the planning. Okay. So in the planning, these are all the activities you have to do. Determine the partners. So which shipper or carrier you are in. Determine the material, which material you are purchasing. Movement scenario determination. The movement scenario means whether you will receive the product at your terminal or you go to the vendor's place and pick up the material and bring to your place. This is one scenario. Or you sell at your place. This is one scenario. Or you deliver to the customer's place, delivered supply, another scenario. So all these movement scenario that we'll cover later on. There is a big subject on that. Then we have to select the document, the purchase document or the sale document, purchase contract or sale document, whatever is there. And the location we have to define, from which location you are delivering, where you are delivering. Then we have to give the output, that nomination output or the bill of lading, whatever is there. That then we have to take the confirmation from the carrier that that schedule is okay. See, it should be accepted by the carrier also. The carrier, that ship condition, ship availability, timings, berth availability, all these they will check and they will confirm. If any changes to be done, they will do the final changes in the nomination. Okay,
Yes.
based on the carrier comments. Carrier will say that they are already having some other cargo. They will not be able to load that much quantity, only some less quantity. Like that, they can give their own feedback. So based on that, we'll change the quantity or date or location, whatever. Okay, if it is acceptable to you. So it should be mutually acceptable, carrier plus the company. Nominate center planning application TSW to schedule group communicate bulk movements. This is the planning. We are doing a planning of the movements in this nomination. A nomination is a scheduling document used for communication of bulk movements and transportation with the carrier. So this is also one of the functionality. These are all the functionality. You can have an interface of this nomination with the external customer, so that whenever you create one nomination, you can send a mail to the carrier with the nomination details. That type of functionality is there. A nomination schedule bulk shipment based on the demand and supply data like sales, purchase, transfer document. So that basic document, sale, purchase, transfer documents are the basis. On this basis only, we will decide the quantity. There should be a document. Then only we can schedule a movement. Document means you should have an agreement, purchase agreement or sale agreement, sale contract or purchase contract should be there. It exchanges and confirm data with the carrier or partners. Okay, so
Yeah.
there is a confirmation button in the nomination. So once everything is agreed upon, you can just click on that confirm button, then it is final. Till that confirm button is not clicked, you can go on changing whenever, whatever you want. Okay. It forms the basis of generating R3 subsequent document like delivery, shipment, notifying goods movement, billing document. So this is the functionality of the ticketing. When you actualize the ticket, these subsequent documents will be created automatically by the system. That we have to configure automatically means system should be instructed through that configuration that in this scenario what document to be created, for that what program has to be activated, that and all in configuration we have to do, then it will automatically create the documents. It is integrated with the inventory management, so we can check the inventory also. SPW is there, no? That is the inventory. It will check whether inventory will be available at that time, at the time of that loading. So that integration is also available. These are all the functionalities of a nomination.
Yes.
Partner communication function allows to send nomination certain fields to various partners. So this is what I told you now. You can send a mail from this SAP screen to the carrier. For that we have to set up the system. Various validation checks ensure that newly created nomination changes done in nomination according to check routines. Okay.
Yes.
So it when there is one validation button is there, and when you click on that, this all this vehicle ability check, compatibility check, all this check will be when it, validated. Vehicle yesterday I told you now, vehicle available. Vehicle is suppose the tanker is on repair, maintenance.
Yeah.
Then vehicle is not available. If you use that vehicle, then it will give an error. It will check the vehicle status, saying the vehicle is available or not. If it is blocked or not available, then it will give an error, validation error. You can see in the log. There it will show what is the error it will show.
Yes.
Nomination support various movement scenarios can be defined in customer. That's what I told you. Different movement scenarios we can customize. So in whatever the business requires, the different types of movements that we can configure according to the requirement. Is it a pickup sale? It is a delivered sale or pickup purchase, delivered purchase, like that. Movement scenario determine the document processing that system carries out in the bulk shipments. So based on this movement scenario, the subsequent documents are to be configured. So then system will automatically post while doing the ticketing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
See, this is one communication with the external partners. It's a graphical. So through this email, iDoc can send the messages, nominate that nomination details. You can send. This is the nomination, one sample screen. There are three parts. This one is header, item, item details. Okay. So header is applicable to all the items. There can be multiple items not only one item. You can combine 2, 3 items together in one nomination. So this header data will be applicable to all the items. And if you want to more details about this item, then click on item details. Then there are so many tabs: item detail, document processing, communication, all this data you can see in respect of the selected item. The selected item is shown here 10. Okay, with this line item, these are the further details.
Yes.
So three parts: header, item details.
Item details.
Yeah. This, these are all some of the features. All relevant nomination, one single screen. Okay.
Yes.
You have seen, na? So many information we can capture in one screen.
One nomination. Okay.
One nomination we can capture, which is the transport system, location, cab, shipper, carrier, and in the item you can mention what is the material quantity, like that. So many things we can capture in one nomination. Quick and easy scheduling nomination. Okay, so system automatically that does some validation. Na? So if you enter something wrong, it will give an error. Integration into work list. There is also another functionality. Most of the data defaulted from the transport system. So in the transport system, whatever data you are entering, then that data will be populated in nomination also. When you enter the transport system in the nomination, the relevant data of that transport system is copied. More detailed information on header or item level. There are so many tabs are there. You can have many number. Even use some of the fields. Na? If
Yeah.
you if you want to fill up those fields with your own data, that also that enhancement you can use. Okay. Schedule and confirm. There is only one button is there. You click on that, then it will be confirmed. Batch fields and valuation type checks on nomination. This batch also field is available. Copy nomination including line items. See, if you want to create one new nomination, it is a same as one already completed nomination. So we can just copy from that nomination. All the details will be copied to the new nomination. Just like we did it now, this material master.
Yeah, sir.
Like that, here also we can do nomination. You can create with reference to an existing nomination. And TD shipment from nomination. That is a configuration activity. You can configure it in such a way that when transaction is complete, the shipment will be closed, so that nobody will make further changes. See, there is a tick mark in the shipment, complete shipment, that it will be automatically done. Otherwise, you have to go to the another transaction, go for H1, then you click complete button and all. That is not required. This is automatically done. Consistency checks with reference to order items. See, this is whether it is in line with the order and whatever document that you are entering into a purchase contract or sale contract. Okay. That also is checked whether it is inconsistent with the quantities or materials entered. Suppose you enter some material in nomination that is not there in the reference contract, then it will give an error. Got
Yeah.
it? Huh?
Yes.
Both the reference document as well as the nomination, same material should be there.
Yes.
Reference of a contract by nomination, that's what that reference document contract we can enter. Customize your movement scenarios. Okay, that movement scenario we can configure. Interface to external trading system, that's also possible. So that from trading system, all the relevant information for creating the nomination is uh, automatically coming to the. See, nowadays many companies don't create the nomination in SAP. They will capture something, some deal, the finalized deal in some other non-SAP application. Okay, some, and that application is linked to SAP. So when they click on complete button, the data will flow to SAP and SAP will create the nomination automatically. Okay, that type of thing also is there nowadays. Partner role assignment. Customer fields a nomination header and item. Okay, customer also can be assigned to a nomination. Validation group. That's what I told you, that validation checking. Nomination header, item, even check routines are assigned to validation group. Okay. So the system setup, this explain the system setup to do the validation. Okay. The validation group is there. In that, what are all the validation we have to do? We have to assign that. Nomination validation necessary to ensure complete and accurate data is entered manually by the scheduler. That means in some of the missing data, if it is there, it will give you an error. Ensure complete or accurate data is received via the nomination inbound interface from the scheduling tool. So this is what the interface means. It is an external application. So that data should be complete. Avoid errors occurring during ticketing process. If you give wrong data, incomplete data in nomination while doing the ticketing, it will give an error. So that you can do this validation, then this you can avoid the errors.
Yes.
If nominations are not validated, a delay in the scheduling process, erroneous planning data, erroneous corrupted tickets. See what happens now when you encounter an error in doing the ticketing, then there is a long process. All the documents created has to be reversed. Okay. Then again we have to uh, correct the nomination. Then again do the ticketing. So it is a double work. So in the first stage itself, you avoid the errors. Then ticketing will be very one click only. That's all. Delays in posting of goods issue, goods receipt transfer system. Okay. These are all the benefits of the validation. So this is the configuration for this validation group. Validation group you will define here. Header checks, item checks, event checks, load and discharge checks, checks with complete data.
Checks with multiple.
Yeah. So in each, under each node, like this, nomination standard validation, customer nomination validation, like this validation group 01, 02, 03, like that we can add. See, these are all the program names which will trigger through this validation group. So this program, whether it should be an error or warning, that also we can configure.
Yes.
So now come to the ticket. Ticket is an official notice sent by a partner containing information about the product movement. So after the loading or discharge of the vessel or tanker, they will say this much quantity is finally loaded or discharged. So that is the basic information required for ticketing. So they will give all the information which material loaded, how much quantity, when, on which date started, which date ended, what is the quality certification, quantity certification, everything they will give. That is required to create a ticket. Ticketing is an official notice sent by the partner such as carrier that contains information of the product movement. See, they can give physical form, some letter or some notification they can give that this is the loaded content, or they can send an email, or you can send it through online also through interface. Okay. Ticketing refers to the actualization of the nomination. In the SAP language, we call it as actualization of a nomination. This is called ticketing.
Yes.
Nomination is a scheduling, it's a planning. The planning has to be actualized. Actualized,
Yeah.
then it will become ticketing.
Ticketing. Ticketing.
Data is entered into the system either manually or automatically. That's what I told you. Na?
I.com.
Either in the physical form they can send, or through IDOC they can send. That automatically will create a ticket. The actualization generate the R3 document for nomination and its line items. R3 means SAP documents.
Yes, sir.
Okay, such as it will create a sale order, delivery, invoice, actual figures. Okay.
Yes.
Movement scenario gets triggered by the receipt of the movement ticket from the external source, such pipeline carrier. The movement scenario means that program which creates the subsequent documents that will be triggered while you do the actualization. Okay. Each TSW movement scenario has a corresponding junction function group to control document processing related to posted. So how to configure this movement scenario, that is all done through a tool called junction function. Okay, in this junction function that we will configure what document to be created, in what sequence it will be created, all these things we will define here. Ticketing process allows to create, change, delete, recover, reverse, correct ticket and terminate invalid ticket. See, these are all the different functionalities. You can create a ticket. After creating, you can change also. And if you want to delete, that also is possible. And if you want to recover means initially we have cancelled it, but we want to further uh, recover it.
Recover.
After cancelling, want to recover, that is recover. Reverse means you whatever documents already created will be reversed. So this reverse function. Correct ticket means you can change the documents and terminate a invalid ticket. There is a functionality called corruption of the ticket. So we can once you corrupt it, it will not be used further. Changing, deleting, recovering a ticket cannot be done if the ticket has been actualized. Okay.
Yes.
Already you entered the ticket and you have clicked on actualized. Actualized means it has already created sale order, delivery, goods issue, everything. Then if you want to change, I want to change the quantity, I want to change material in the ticketing, not possible. Before actualization, then we can do the changing, deleting, recovering.
Recover.
That is the meaning. In other cases where ticket has been actualized, there is an effect on subsequent postings because once you actualize, the subsequent documents are posted. So that is why it is not allowing to make further changes in the ticket after actualization. Okay.
Yes.
See, this is the
Ticketing.
screenshot of the ticket. Here also three parts: header, ticket item details. Okay. In the header, ticket number will be there, ticket key will be there, carrier ticket type. Can have different type of ticket type,
Yes.
and other tabs are also there. This is applicable to all the line items. So in the line item, you'll have material, quantity, schedule quantity, actual quantity. These are all the two important things.
So
These are
actual
all under, huh?
actual quantity means.
See, you might have planned for 10 gallons,
Yes.
but while loading, you are loaded only 9 gallons or
Yeah.
11 gallons.
Mm-hmm.
Possible, na? That is the actual quantity.
Yeah. Yeah.
So depending upon your variance you have set up na, for a nomination,
Mm-hmm.
then it will allow that much variance.
Okay.
Ticket item details, there are so many buttons. Movement detail, meter reading, gauge reading. So many information we can capture here. That's why they are given this many tabs. Okay. See, suppose you say 10 gallons. How you have measured it? Is it through dip? Is it through meter? If it is meter, you can take the reading in this tab. You can initial reading, final reading, what is the net quantity received. All these things are there. If it is gauge reading,
Mm.
in
I
case of
don't.
oil products, it is applicable. For you may not be gauge means dip reading. How much height of the oil is there before loading or after loading? Then we will measure the net quantity. So there
Yes.
is a calibration table. Okay, for each height, what is the quantity? So that will convert the height into the volume. So we will find out the volume before loading. We will find out the quantity after loading. Then we will find out difference. That much is the quantity loaded or received. And this is additional units of measure. This is another functionality. See, I told in oil there can be a multiple units of measure: liters, kg,
Gallons. Gallons.
barrel, gallon, all this. So there is a formula to convert from one unit to another unit. So that functionality this will happen here. And nomination data. So against which nomination number you are creating the ticket, that details will be there here. Okay. So these are all the different details available in a ticket. See, main you have to enter this quantity unit, then start date, start time, end time, and posting date. These are all mandatory. Okay.
Yes.
So these are all the tabs available in item details in a ticket. movement detail, meter reading, gauge reading, additional units of measure,
Mhm.
nomination data, movement partners, item event. See, event also we can capture. Event means when the ship came, when the ship was inspected, when the hose was connected, when initial pumping started, all these dates and time, because it is not that loading will be done in 1 hour or so. In big ship and all, it will take 3 4 days sometimes.
Yes.
So that event is very important to calculate the demurrage, you know. So
Yes.
there is an agreement with the carrier that we will load the ship, maybe depending upon the that our capacity, we will say that in 1 day, 2 day, like that. So if you delay it, then there is a loss for the carrier. You have to pay fine. That is called demurrage. Demurrage is based on the this item events. Then document flow. This is the subsequent documents when you is created by the system, na? Sale order, delivery, goods issue.
Yes.
All the document you can see here in this tab. Ticket log means if there is an error while creating the documents, it will give an error. So that error log you can see here in the ticket log. Okay, then control data additional fields. There are some other fields are there, not important. Actually, there is one more line item, sub item, item details. Sub item also is there.
Yes.
Okay. The document flow, I told you, this is the tab. In that document flow, we can see what are all the documents created by the system while doing the actualization. There is
Yes.
the purchase order created, goods receipt, that material document is created. So like that, for different scenario, different type of document. If it is sale or sale scenario, it will be sale order, delivery, goods issue, like that. Ticket reversal. Suppose everything is done. You have entered the ticket, actualized. After that, you realize if that quantity or date or some mistake you have done, then what to do? So there is a
Ticket reversal.
functionality for reversal. So once you reverse, all the subsequent documents will be reversed and you can again create one more ticket with correct data. So system update the document related to a ticket depending on movement scenario. So while you do the reversal, all these things will happen. Reverse the inventory posting, GR will be reversed, delete delivery, delete document line item for shipment, and this sales order is deleted. If it is purchase order, it will be deleted. So while doing all this, otherwise you should have done all these steps. Here only one reverse, but one in one button, so many transaction can happen. Reversal is a painful. If you are manually doing means it will take time, and time also so many information also you should be very careful while doing reversal. You make a mistake, further mistake, then again you have to correct it. So if it is automatically done through this reversal transaction, everything is taken care of. This is the screenshot of a reversal ticket. See, there
Yes.
is a button confirm reverse. You
Mhm.
click on that and actualize. Then reversal is done. Only two clicks. With the two clicks, all the documents are reverse automatic. So now next topic is the movement scenario. Okay.
Yes.
Can we go to movement scenario or we will complete in the system? You will see any nomination, then come to movement scenario. Okay.
Yes.